This is Tallinn Central Railway Station. Then I'm in our kiosk where you can buy a lot of things. Also the smart card, which this is, for example, card that I bought. You have to just show it to the machine remotely. You don't have to just attach it. You can just show it, and then with this card you can travel for 1 month. Any buses, trains, trams, unlimited for 1 month. This cost 25 euro. So the actual value is 23 euro and 2 euro is the deposit for this card. So it's a very smart way to travel. You don't have to buy the ticket anytime and all. You can just use it the way you want. And this is how you have things here at our kiosk. Some Lay's chips, so which are for 1 euro. Spring onion. Oh, they also have something garlic breads, and then all you have the Pringles and stuff like that. So something Indian named Alka. These are pretzels, pressed and baked, not fried. So you also have Haribo and all croissants. Yeah, and then you have some beers and tins and stuff like that here, so you can buy whatever you want. And then you have the fruits here where you can automatically get the juice. Orange juice will come out, and this is what I bought today for the breakfast. So this is spinach strudel costing €1.20. Similarly, you have croissants here, and these are the prices, as you can see. 0.85, that is 85 cents, and stuff like that. So some donuts. So this is how our kiosk, a typical our kiosk looks, and you'll see this at airport, at every major stations or public places from where you can buy your SIM card, your also the smart card for travel, and you have a lot of things. They have a lot of things on variety. So also you can see some sandwiches, and yeah, so it's a good thing where you can buy everything that you want, and it gives you a very good thing on the go. So you can see some sandwiches, and also the baggage and all, so you can see different prices. Okay, that's all for now. We'll connect with you shortly. Okay, bye.